Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Remap in After Effects. First, import your footage into a composition. Select your layer in the timeline, then right-click and choose Time, followed by Enable Time Remapping. This immediately places two keyframes on your layer, one at the very beginning and another at the very end. These initial keyframes represent the original duration of your footage. You are now ready to begin adjusting the speed and flow of your video clips. Once time remapping is enabled, you can easily adjust your clip's speed. Moving the second keyframe closer to the first will make your footage play faster, compressing the original duration. Conversely, dragging that keyframe further away will stretch out the duration, creating a slower playback. To introduce speed changes within your clip, simply add new keyframes at desired points. Each keyframe marks a specific frame from your original video, giving you precise control over timing. Achieving dramatic slow or fast motion is straightforward with time remapping. To create a slow motion segment, simply drag the keyframes defining that section further apart on your timeline. For a rapid, fast motion effect, bring those keyframes much closer together. Remember to utilize the graph editor for smooth, professional transitions. By manipulating the value graph, you can precisely control the acceleration and deceleration between your speed changes, making your effects look seamless and impactful. For more advanced control, try holding Control or Command while dragging keyframes to snap them to specific frames. When creating extreme slow motion, enable frame blending or pixel motion in your layer settings for a much smoother visual. You can even reverse a section of your footage by dragging a keyframe past another. For complex animations, pre-compose your layer before applying time remapping. This ensures your effects are applied to the entire pre-composition, offering greater flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.